as the experts in image processing technology and image processing inspection. We ViSCO Technologies are always ready to solve problems regarding quality assurance of your manufacturing line. Sometimes we receive the voice from our clients, which is, the defect is visible but cannot be inspected by machine vision. Why could this kind of a case happen? Here is the reason. In order to find defects by visual inspection, we observe objects from various angles with changing their positions. This action, to find optimal angle of reflection that shows defects most clearly, is learned through our experiences, although they tend to happen without our intentions. Originally, it is difficult to make stable detection for defects such as slight dents or swellings, cracks and so on, because conditions of surface get variation in optimal irradiation angles. Moreover, the value of the brightness variation caused by these defects tends to be smaller than variation made by dirts or foreign substances. From these images, it is impossible to make proper detection with conventional method, as determining by their gray levels. To tell these in other words, I can see defects means defects are found after having searched best angles to see contrast most clearly. Machine vision cannot detect defects means the difference of brightness on acquired image is too little to tell if defects or background. These are reasons why cases could happen, such as defects can be seen by human eyes, cannot be detected by machine vision. We have developed an inspection application that can detect defects properly from images which are difficult in doing so. That's what we call TSC Def Finder. It uses a method of time series correlation and enables to extract defects properly from those images. Kazuhiro Tsuchi. Images all the way. ViSCO Technologies Thailand.